Assalamu alaikum student. This is an exercise of the worth of the fabric. So I hope you remember this story about the Thiruvalluvar and the young man. So this is the exercise question answers. There are big questions answers and small also, and it will be grammar. So you have to copy all this in your English notebook without any spelling mistakes and with good handwriting. Children, you have to copy all the exercise whatever I have given you till date, because you have to submit your copies also over here for checking. So you have to write all the question answer. So pay attention. Look here. This is exercise. The lesson name is the worth of fabric. First, describe the following with the help of the story. This is you have to describe the person who's talking about. This paragraph is about Thiruvalluvar. He was a great Tamil science poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Tirukural, spelling THRUKKURL. I'm repeating THIRUKKURL. Tirukural is his book of teachings. It is greatly loved and respected even today. Tirukural was a textile weaver who wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in market. He never got angry, never used bad words, and never shouted at anyone. So this is about Thiruvalluvar's personality. Now the second one is the rich young man who always disturbed the Thiruvalluvar. So it's about the rich young man who lived in the same town as Thiruvalluvar was arrogant and proud of his riches. He wasted most of his time rowing. Spelling is Roaming. I'm repeating Roaming. Roaming around with his friends. They often made fun of others people. He tried to make Thiruvalluvar by reducing the rags, the beautiful fabrics woven. Next page by him. This is continuity of the second one. He became impatient and agitated with Thiruvalluvar remained calm. Now third is the fabric woven by Thiruvalluvar. The beautiful fabric woven by Thiruvalluvar was made of cotton. Someone else had carded the cotton and spun it into long uniform threads. These threads were dyed in lovely color. He and his wife had woven the thread together, putting in the beautiful design. So this is all these big answers. Now the small answer in one sentence. Who was Thiruvalluvar? Thiruvalluvar was a textile weaver who was a great Tamil science poet. Second one, what is Thiruvalluvar's book of teachings called? Then answer is his books of teaching is called Thirukural. Third page, who often made fun of others people? Answer is the rich young man from Thiruvalluvar town and his friend often made fun of other people. Fourth one, what did rich young man want to do? The rich answer is the rich young man wanted to make Thiruvalluvar angry. Now here are some little words. Classify the words in A and B and into positive and negative words. So here are some words. Which is some are positive and negative. So you have to made this two columns and write over here which one is positive and which one is negative. So positive words are among these words is great, beautiful, quiet, and answered. And negative words are arrogant, wasted, impatient, shouted at. Okay, I wrote a impatient two times, so you write only one time. Okay, now next, last page. Write the antonyms of the words. So antonyms means the opposite words. Softly, carefully. So here you have the answer. Softly, opposites loudly, harshly. You can write both or anyone, but in notebook you have to write this both. Carefully, carelessly, refused, REFUSED. If you don't understand from here, you can copy from here refused spelling. Accepted, rewarded, punished, destroyed, created, thoughtless, thoughtful. So children, this is the lesson of the worth of fabric. So copy it nicely and without any spelling mistakes. Thank you.